Today we're going to be talking about solving equations with variables on both sides with special circumstances that occur. So kind of building off what we did earlier, same things kind of apply. But we're going to see something different. When we're looking at these problems, and there's two problems we're going to go over today. So as we're looking to solve this, problem number one. Again, the first thing we look at, is there any distribution? There's no parentheses, so there's no distribution. Can we combine any like terms? We look at the left side of the equal sign, cannot combine any like terms. But over here, we can combine 2x and 2x. So that's my first step. Copy down what's on the left, combine our two terms here. So our next step is, I see that I have variables on both sides. I want to add opposites, so I get variables on either the left or the right. So I'm going to add a negative 4x. But look what happens here. These cancel out because 4x minus 4x is 0. 4x minus 4x is 0. Those are gone. All we're left with are two numbers. 5 equals negative 3. All of our variables got eliminated. And we look at this. We want to ask ourselves, is this a true statement? Does 5 equal negative 3? Because this is not a true statement, and all of our variables are gone, they got eliminated, this becomes a solution that has no solution. There's no answer to this problem. Okay, some math problems, especially as we get higher and higher up in math, we're going to end up where things like this happen, and we're going to have a solution. And it all comes back to, does this make sense? Is that true? Just like in real life, sometimes there's no solution to some of our problems. Now I want to compare it here to number 2. Again, I'm going to look to combine like terms. The 20 minus 4 is 16. Copy down to 3x. Combine 8x minus 5x and get 3x plus 16. I now want to add opposites again. I want to add negative 3x to both sides. Here again, both sets of variables get canceled. But here, what's different is we have 16 equals 16. This is a true statement. When this occurs, instead of there being no solution, we end up with what we call infinite solutions or many solutions. And that would be our correct answer. The word infinite means going on forever or an infinite number of solutions. You can pick any number to go in this problem right here, and it will work. It could be the number 2, it could be the number 8, it could be 5/3, it could be negative 15 over 29, it could be a decimal, it can be pi, it could be a radical. No matter what gets put in, we will still end up having a true statement. Something similar to like 16 equals 16 or so forth. So there are two problems, two different kinds of answers that could occur if we have variables on both sides. Things that we have to look for and pay attention to. We can still have our one unique answer, and most of the times we will have that one unique answer. But in times when variables cancel and we end up with untrue statements, results in no solution. A true statement results into many solutions. See you next time.